Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to put a Porsche Boxster in service mode. First, sit in the driver's seat and close all doors, then ensure the key is with you and the ignition is off. Turn the key to position 1, press and hold the trip reset button, then turn the key to accessory while holding the button. Watch the instrument cluster for the service menu, prompt and release the button when it appears. Before activating service mode, secure the car and remove distractions so you can focus on the sequence. Make sure the parking brake is set and the transmission is in the correct position for your model. Switch off lights and accessories to avoid false warnings and ensure a stable electrical state. If you need to access fuses or panels later, keep a flashlight and gloves handy to speed the process. Quick recommendation: the Kindle Paperwhite is perfect for reading manuals, wiring diagrams, and repair notes while you work on your car. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like so I can make more practical guides like this. I linked the Kindle and other useful deals in the description below for easy access, so check that out now. Now let's get back to the video. To activate service mode, follow the specific key turns and hold pattern without rushing or skipping steps. Press and hold the trip reset while moving the key through the positions until the service prompt appears on the dash. When the service menu appears, release the button and note any displayed messages or codes for maintenance records. If the menu does not appear, wait briefly and repeat the sequence from a steady starting point.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.